derrick of Eliminex. See all these little creatures, little spiders. See all the little insects coming out when I spray the trees. Yeah, you gotta control the population of all these outside bugs early in the spring. When I first sprayed, there was like a dozen came out at once. Now they're all kind of seeking shelter into the bark. So I just treat it lightly and it creates a barrier. So when it starts getting colder out, you know, these spiders won't go to your mulch bed and go to your gutters around your window frames looking for water when it gets dry. Then you have all these spiders in your house, especially in the late summer and fall.